If you've ever struggled with getting that spiritual guidance to come in for you for your business, then you're in the right place because I'm going to tell you the top 4 reasons that your spirit guide is being blocked from giving you the information that you want and need for your business. And stay tuned until the end because I'm going to share exactly what you can do to connect to your business spirit guide, AKA BSG, so that you can start receiving the information ASAP. Last week, one of my clients told me in a session that she can now feel her spirit guide swoop in whenever she needs her. She said when she was really frustrated and really wanted to shut down and turn on Netflix, just shut down her computer, turn on Netflix, that her spirit guide swooped in and gave her a message that she really needed that helped her to decide instead to jump on Instagram and do a live. And because of that, someone booked a discovery call with her. I'm Kristina Deckard, and I've taught hundreds of entrepreneurs how to grow their business by connecting with their business spirit guides. And today, I'm sharing the top 4 things that stop you from receiving that information from your BSGs. Number 1 is connecting with spiritual entities that are not your business spirit guide. And why is that important? Well, your business spirit guide specializes in your business. And other entities like angels, goddesses, elementals, they are not experienced in your type of business. So bringing on a business spirit guide that has lived here on this earth in a lifetime, specializing their zone of genius is in your kind of business, is going to bring in the type of information that you need, the details that you need in your business, rather than more generalized things and things that help you with other areas of your life, your spirituality and confidence and different things can be obtained from other spiritual entities. But when it comes to your business, you want a business spirit guide to get those details that you need. Number 2 is overthinking and not taking action. If you're overthinking the information that you've received and questioning it, thinking that it may not be really the answer, or trying to come up with your own answers over and over again and not taking some kind of action on the information that you received, then it's going to block you from getting more information. It's only going to confuse you. And if you're asking your guide the same type of questions over and over, it muddies the waters. So when you receive information, whether that is a feeling of intuition in your body, hearing something that you believe may be from a guide, seeing a sign, however it may come through, take an action on it, even if it's a small action, because that is how you're going to build up your communication with your guide, receiving the information, taking an action, receiving a bit of information, taking an action. And that's how you build up your ability to communicate and understand what's being communicated, and also seeing the results. Because when we see the results, rather than overthinking, that builds our confidence in that communication. And number 3 is a little bit similar to number 2, but it is if you're seeking answers all over the internet, that is going to block that communication and understanding of what's coming through for you because you're seeking answers elsewhere. Like, how many courses have you purchased? How many webinars have you gone to? How many YouTube videos have you watched? I want you to watch my YouTube videos, but there is so much intake of information from the outside that it is keeping you from hearing what is coming from the inside, what is coming from your higher self, your intuition, and your spirit guides, because you're not able to listen, see the signs, hear what's happening, the information that's coming in for you intuitively, if you're constantly seeking, seeking, seeking. And number 4 is my favorite one. I love to see when my clients get this one. Number 4 is not recognizing the voice of your business spirit guide. A lot of times we receive information and we don't realize that it's our guide. Our guide is talking to us, giving us information that we're seeking, and we don't realize that it's them. We think that it's just our minds running, right? We think that we're telling ourselves this stuff, and then we don't trust it and believe it. And a lot of times, your guide will sound like you. Your guide will sound like you, but it will be like this very wise information that comes through. And a lot of times for me, it happens when I'm out taking a walk, walking my dog, or driving, or something like that. And I think, wow, that was so good. Like, this whole dialogue went running through my mind. And I was like, wow, that is so good. Like, of course, but I'm not like in a spot where I'm going to be able to like document this, right? Like, I'm busy doing something else. But you can get around that, right? Like, there's ways you can pull off the road and record it into your phone really quick or whatever. But the thing is that recognizing that this voice that's running and you think it's you, it may really be your guide. And so start paying more attention to that. And like one of the previous numbers, right? Take action. Take some action on it and see what happens. That's how you're going to know. I've created a sacred space inside a visualization where you can connect to your business spirit guide. Here, you can feel supported to connect to your business spirit guide and feel confident that it is happening and your guide is there with you. I've also included an ebook so that it will help you to grow that relationship so that you begin to receive that communication and the details that you want and need for your business. The sooner you meet your guide, build that relationship, and receive the communication and those amazing details that are aligned to you to grow your business, the sooner it's going to actually grow and you're going to be excited and inspired by it. So I've included a link in the caption for you to download your visualization and ebook. And be sure, if you liked this video, to subscribe and tap on that bell for notifications so that you get more tips on connecting with your business spirit guide and growing your business. Thanks for watching the training today on the 4 things that block your spirit guides from communicating to you about your business.